Hello, Colorado. It's Timothy, your favorite attorney at your favorite law firm, Johnson Law Group. One of the most common questions I get is, will I have to go to court for my divorce? And the answer is, as usual, it depends. So let's dig into the details. The biggest factor that determines whether you'll actually have to go to the courthouse for your divorce is whether or not you and the other party can agree on the issues of your case. If you can agree to most or all of the issues in your case, you likely won't have to actually go to court. One factor that influences the likelihood of reaching an agreement is just the complexity of the issues. Some issues of asset division or child custody arrangements are very complicated, and if the parties can't agree, we'll need a court ruling in order to resolve those issues. Another factor that can increase the likelihood of not being able to reach agreement is if there are children involved. The court often has to go through a very delicate process of analyzing what the children's best interests are, and if the parties can't agree on what that is, the court is going to have to decide it. A third factor that increases the chances of reaching an agreement is having attorneys involved, especially if both sides are represented by an attorney. The attorneys can negotiate for you, they can draft your documents, and they can ensure that all legal requirements are met. Most cases don't actually end up going into the courtroom because most cases settle at mediation, what we call alternative dispute resolution. That can save you lots of time and money. If you're dealing with any of these issues, call us here at Johnson Law Group.
Divorce ends marriages, not families. Call us at 720-445-4444 or visit our website at johnsonlgroup.com.